Hi everyone, welcome back. Jorge with Dent Motion. I got a 2015 BMW 2 Series. It's a two-door, nice car. I got some damage on the rear left quarter right above the wheel well. And I'm outside my shop. I just kind of wanted to show the front of my shop and my sign, so when you come by next time you can swing on by and see where I'm at. Over here in Broomfield, Colorado. Let me show you the vehicle. So let me walk you inside. Here's my little office. And here's the BMW. Like I said, it's a 2015. Just such a nice car. This happens to be an all-wheel drive. Beautiful car. The damage, it's right here. You can kind of see there's a lip here, which we call the crown. My take is, because there's some light scratches there, as you can see, I believe a door swung and just barely scratched it there. So we're going to remove that, and I'll show you the after. Okay, done with the BMW 2015. The damage was right here in this area. If you can remember, it had kind of a lip here and down here. There are some surface scratches that it's gonna be hard to see it on the camera, but it's glassed out, looking beautiful. The customer's gonna be super thrilled. Paintless dent repair, saving them money and saving them time. It's the right way to go. Once again, paintless dent repair, the way to go. If you have a really nice vehicle that the paint wasn't damaged and you want to give me a call, you can do it at 720-552-0808. My name is Jorge. I'm the owner of Dent Motion. You can check out our website, dentmotion.com. And I look forward to the next one. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Take care.